to you all. I, Pradesha Mishra, a learner of grade 9A, is here with the monthly news of Sheffield School Route of the events that were held in the month of April. Initiated with the World Health Day occurred on the 7th of April, creating awareness among the students with healthy life by giving their remarkable speeches. Siblings Day occurred on the 9th of April, where the students showcased the incredible bond between siblings by asking some playful questions about each other. Mahavir Jayanti occurred on the 10th of April. On this auspicious day, our students gave a brief speech in the assembly, focusing on the key points of this auspicious festival. Hanuman Janmotsav occurred on the 11th of April, where our students broadcasted the marvelous stories of Lord Hanuman, along with the chanting of the holy verses of the Hanuman Chalisa.
Greetings everyone. Myself Pragya Thakur Negi of the student of class 10th Today I am here to showcase all the achievements made by the Sheffield student in the month of April. On 11th of April, Sheffield School celebrated the Baisakhi festival with beautiful Punjabi folks. On 11th of April, celebration of Ambedkar Jayanti took place in our school, in which the students of our school became eager to know about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the father of our nation. We celebrate the festival with different speeches, poetries, and the life of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. On 11th of April, patriotism is spread across the students of the United Minds of Sheffield School Route. Their firing poems, flourishing sessions, and different activities took place on the occasion of the Jallianwala Bagh massacre, where the students of Sheffield revealed the real history of the Jallianwala Bagh incident. On 19th of April, Sheffield celebrated World Nutrition Day, where different skits and programs held in Sheffield, spreading awareness about how the peoples can be obesity-free and how junk food is exploiting our bodies nowadays.
Good morning everyone, I am Kunika Rauthan of class 11th and today I am here to tell you all the past news that have happened in Sheffield School. So let's start with World Heritage Day that happened on 18th of April 2025, which is also known as International Day for Monuments and Sites. It is held each year in the world with different type of activities, monuments and heritage site visits and conferences etc. In our school, kids of grade 8th and 9th spoke speeches on it and aware our students about it. The second activity that took place in the month of April was Civil Services Day, which was held on 21st of April 2025. Basically, the Prime Minister of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, started this day, and in this he addressed the probations of administrative services officers at Metcalfe House in Delhi, due to which every year it is celebrated. In our school, the students of grade 9th gave speech on it, and also there was a quiz held in which questions were asked to the students about this day. The third activity that took place was World Earth Day, in which the little students of Sheffield School and from students from grade 1st to 8th participated in quiz, as well as they made a lot of cute drawings to aware the students of it. World Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April 2025 every year, which demonstrates to support for environment and environmental protection. The last and the least activity that took place was Panchayati Divas, which took place on 24th of April 2025, in which basically the PM declared the day for the Panchayat, and he mentioned that if Panchayat Raj, our institutions function properly, it will lead to the decrease in myotist threat in India, and the students of Sheffield gave a speech on it. Thank you.
Greetings everyone, I Arpita Singha, your today's news reporter, is here to tell you about some breaking news. On 25th of April 2025, our Sheffield School students performed a powerful Nukkad Natak to show their gratitude towards the civilians who lost their life in the Pahalgam attack. They showed their huge respect and gratitude to the civilians and also the armed forces. Again, on 25th April 2025, our students performed another Nukkad Natak to spread awareness on the World Malaria Day, on the malaria. They told up through their energetic performance, they told about the symptoms, the prevention, and the importance of cleanliness, the proper medicines for the malaria, and how to prevent from the malaria. This is a very harmful disease that needs to be prevented, and we have to spread awareness about it. And our students do it very well. On 29th of April 2025, our Sheffield School students showcased the dance performance and variety of dance performance on the day of International Dance Day. The event not only entertained the audience but also emphasized the importance of dance and the culture and the unity and creativity of this artistic form of dance. On April 30, 2025, a special speech was conducted on the special occasion of Akshaya Tritiya, an occasion of prosperity and new beginning. The speech was indicating the cultural and Indian rich heritage importance. The speech helped to spread awareness about the Indian rich heritage and among the young people and young generation of our country.